Instant Pot Duo Crisp versus competitors. The Duo Crisp is a multifunctional cooker combining pressure cooking and air frying. Its competitors also offer impressive versatility. Ninja Foodi 10-in-1, known for its ability to switch from pressure cooking to air frying easily. Pros: high-quality crisping, larger capacity. Cons: bulky and heavier. Breville Fast Slow Pro, designed for serious chefs with precise temperature control. Pros: sturdy build, intuitive controls. Cons: more expensive. COSORI Air Fryer Max XL, great for dedicated air frying with large portions. Pros: highly rated for crispy texture, user-friendly presets. Cons: lacks pressure cooking. Chef IQ Smart Cooker, smart features for remote control and integration with recipes. Pros: integrated scale app control. Cons: less crisping ability. Melty Crisp Lid, compatible with existing pressure cookers, allowing air frying. Pros: affordable way to add air frying to any pressure cooker. Cons: limited capacity. Verdict: the Instant Pot Duo Crisp offers the best all-in-one solution. If crisping power is a priority, consider the Ninja Foodi or COSORI.